This is our third lecture. This lecture contain exercise 1.5, that is which a part of number systems. So this before starting this one, I will just try to explain some of the it's not a formula, I can say, how we deal with the root. Suppose this is root A and B, so I can represent this one as root A as well as root B. Similarly, if someone is written in the form of like that, root A by B, so I can write this one root A divided by root B. And if something's written in the form of like this, root over A plus root over B and root over A minus root over B, so I can give it in the form of root A square, that is A square minus, that is this one A plus B into A minus B, so I can write this one as a root B square. So this is S A minus B. So in this way, and whatever the other terms will comes, I will tell you when we will deal with such kind of exercise. And let's start with our exercise. हाँ, मैंने बार बार बोल रहा हूँ, मैं इंग्लिश हिंदी में बताऊंगा, लेकिन मैं ये हो जाता है कंटिन्यूसली इंग्लिश में बोलते जा रहा हूँ. So okay, if you guys have any problem, then you can write on the comments. Let's start the exercise of 1.5. अच्छा, एक्सरसाइज 1.5 में मुझे कुछ नंबर दिया गया है जिससे हमको डिफाइन करना है कौन सा नंबर रेशनल नंबर है, कौन सा नंबर इरेशनल नंबर है. एंड बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दैट आई एम सेइंग वन थिंग्स, जैसे कि कोई भी अब नंबर लाइन है, नंबर लाइन से कोई भी रैंडमली कोई भी नंबर आप उठा लीजिए, उसके ऊपर रूट डाल दीजिए. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है वो नंबर रेशनल या इरेशनल होगा, वो डिपेंड्स करेगा इसका रूट के अंदर कौन सा नंबर है. जैसे कि मैंने रूट के अंदर रूट 2 डाल दिया, दिस इज इरेशनल नंबर, रेशनल नंबर. व्हेयरएज मैंने रूट 4 डाल दिया, तो ये क्या हो गया, ये रेशनल नंबर. So depending on what kind of numbers of inside of the roots is depends on it will be rational number or irrational number. Now we are coming in the first exercise 1.5 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 पे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 पे बहुत सारे पार्ट दिया है. जैसे कि फर्स्ट पार्ट में मैं डील कर रहा हूँ, जैसे कि क्वेश्चन पार्ट 1 2 माइनस रूट 3. अब ऐसे कोई भी फंक्शन दे दिया जिसमें ये ऑल रैशनल नंबर रहेगा, इरेशनल नंबर रहेगा, तब मुझे ये होल टर्म भी क्या हो जाएगा, मेरा लिए इरेशनल हो जाएगा. ओके. और जैसे कि मैंने क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 उठा रहा हूँ, 2√7 डिवाइडेड बाय √7, सॉरी 7√7. तो यहाँ पे ये वाला टर्म और ये वाला टर्म कैंसिल हो रहा है, तो रिमेनिंग क्या हो रहा है, 2/7 इज रिमेनिंग. तो ये 2/7 जो टर्म है ये क्या में है, ये p/q के रेस्पेक्ट में है. तब जब मैंने कोई भी नंबर को मैंने p/q के रेस्पेक्ट में रिप्रेजेंट कर पा रहा हूँ, तब मैं ये किसको क्या बोलूँगा, ऑब्वियसली इसको हम बोलेंगे रैशनल नंबर. ओके. सो इन दिस मैनर वी हैव टू डील विद द अदर्स नंबर्स आल्सो. जैसे कि यहाँ पे एक नंबर दिया है 1/√2. Question number, I think this is question 4. 1/√2. So since ये वाला पार्ट मुझे क्या कर रहा है, ये वाला पार्ट मेरा एक इरोटेशनल नंबर है, तो this will be also a इरोटेशनल नंबर. जिसके क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में दिया है क्या, 2/5. अब 5 मतलब क्या है, 22/7. ये नंबर को आप जितना भी डिवाइड कर दीजिए, ये आते रहेगा. तो ये वाला 2π जो टर्म है, ये भी क्या होगा, ये रैशनल नंबर होगा. So in this way, if according to after functioning all these operators, then what will be the final results comes upon depending if this final results contain any irrational number, then I can conclude that the whole function will be a irrational number. ओके, लेट्स मूव टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में क्या बोला जा रहा है, इसमें बोला जा रहा है सिंप्लीफाई, दे हैव गिवन सम फ्यू फंक्शंस। अब मुझे वो सब फंक्शन को सिंप्लीफाई करना है। तो मैंने यहाँ से कुछ नहीं, क्योंकि ये सारा चीज़ सिंपली है, ये सब आप लोगों ने प्रीवियसली भी पढ़ चुके हैं, तो इसलिए मैंने इसको दोबारा रिपीट नहीं करना चाह रहा हूँ। जैसे कि मैंने क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का एक रैंडम नंबर उठा रहा हूँ, जैसे कि क्वेश्चन 3 में क्या बताया गया है, √5 प्लस √2 उसका होल स्क्वायर। सो इसे सिंपली मैं क्या बता सकता हूँ, ये a प्लस बी का होल स्क्वायर का फॉर्मूला होगा। सपोज दिस इज a, दिस इज b, तो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला, a स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर। सो ये वाला टर्म क्या हो जाएगा, √5 स्क्वायर प्लस 2 इंटू a मीन्स √5, अगेन b मीन्स √2 प्लस √2 स्क्वायर। सो ये √5 का मतलब क्या है, √5 स्क्वायर का मतलब क्या है, √5 इंटू 5। सो exactly not that one. This comes like that, √5 इंटू √5, तो मतलब √5 और ये स्क्वायर बाहर है। अब ये स्क्वायर और रूट कैंसिल हो जाएगा, अल्टीमेटली यहाँ पे 5 रहेगा। तो इसलिए ये वाला टर्म क्या हो जाएगा, 5 प्लस ये वाला। अब यहाँ पे मैंने बताया था एक टर्म, जैसे कि √a(b) रहेगा, तो इसका हम सेपरेटली √a इंटू √b भी बोल सकते हैं, उल्टा भी बता सकते हैं। अब √a है, √b है, आप उसको √a भी लिख सकते हो। सिमिलरली यहाँ पे इसको मान लीजिए a है, यहाँ पे मान लीजिए b है, तो इसका मतलब ये क्या हो जाएगा, √10 प्लस यहाँ पे 2, अल्टीमेटली ये टर्म क्या हो जाएगा, 7 प्लस 2√10। So in this way I can simplify this kind of number. ओके, आप लोग कॉपी में उठा लीजिए। नेक्स्ट जो नंबर है, ओके, सो आई एम मूविंग नेक्स्ट पार्ट। जैसे कि नेक्स्ट पार्ट में बताया गया, ये है क्वेश्चन 4, √5 प्लस √2, यस, एंड √5 माइनस √2। तो ये सिंपली ये कैसे हो गया, ये भी एक फॉर्मूला में आ रहा है, जैसे कि ये a, ये b, ये a, ये b, तो ये a प्लस b इंटू a माइनस b। व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर दैट, वी नो दैट वन इज a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर। तो a स्क्वायर मीन्स यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, √5 स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर मीन्स √2 स्क्वायर। सो इट विल बी 5 माइनस 2, दैट इज 3। बहुत ही आसान है ये सब कुछ है। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर, मूव ऑन टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। हम लोगों को क्या पता है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में जो टर्म है, इसमें एक टर्म आ रहा है पाई। हम लोगों को पता है पाई कैसा है, इरोटेशनल नंबर है। अब लेकिन पाई का जो डेफिनेशन है, जो जियोमेट्रिकल डेफिनेशन दिया जाता है, उसमें बताया जाता है पाई, ये जो पाई है ये क्या है, दिस इज द रेशियो ऑफ सर्कमफरेंस। अब यहाँ पे होगा सर्कमफरेंस और टू द डायमीटर। अब मैंने जब भी कोई भी एक सर्कल लिया, इसका जब सर्कमफरेंस लेगा तो ये कुछ डिजिट में आएगा, a मीटर या तो a सेंटीमीटर, b सेंटीमीटर, जो भी है। और ये जो डायमीटर है, सपोज ये b है, तो अल्टीमेटली किस टाइप का आ रहा है, a/b। So a by b means this is also in the same pattern of p by q. So ये रेस्पेक्ट से हम लोग बोल सकते हैं ये टर्म क्या होना चाहिए, दिस शुड बी अ रैशनल नंबर होना चाहिए। बट दो पाई को हम लोग कैसे डिफाइन करते हैं, पाई को हम लोग बोलते हैं इरेशनल नंबर। सो अब ये क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं कैसे आपको उसको जस्टिफिकेशन देना है, तो हम लोग कैसे उसका जस्टिफिकेशन देंगे। तो इसमें बताया गया है, आप जब ये सर्कमफरेंस को लेंगे तो ये सर्कमफरेंस और ये बी डायमीटर, ये दोनों का अब कोई भी रैंडमली कोई भी एक सर्कल लीजिए, तो ये जो रैंडमली आप उसको डिवाइड करेंगे तो ये देखेंगे ये टर्म क्या हो जाएगा, ये टर्म बार बार रिपीट कर रहा है। और ये जो टर्म रिपीट कर रहा है वो किस टाइप का रिपीट कर रहा है जिसमें कोई सिमिलरिटी नहीं है। सॉरी मैंने गलत डाला, ये नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग टर्म आएगा। मतलब जब आप डायमीटर से ये सर्कमफ्रेंस को आप डिवाइड करेंगे तब यहाँ पे जो भी टर्म आएगा वो इस टाइप का आएगा, जैसे कि 3.142758896 मतलब ये ऐसे करके चलते रहेगा। दिस इज नॉट रिपीटिंग, दिस इज कंटिन्यूअसली कमिंग विथ सम रीजन, दैट मीन्स दिस इज a non-terminating term is coming, and this is also a non-recurring. Since this is a non-recurring as well as non-terminating, so I will say this is a irrational number. Sorry guys, I sometimes confuse regarding rational and rotation. All the times I say rational, rotational, though it will be rational number. Don't be confused. Okay, now another interesting question is coming. This is how you represent root over 93. This is question number. Root over 9.3 on number line. Suppose if you got that is root 4, I can, this is 2, so I can give it in the number line 0, 1, 2. And even we also observe just root 3, root 2. So we told them that we have to draw perpendiculars and we have to draw a circle. So in this way I can represent root 3, root 2. But now how we represent 9.3? This is a question. So this is also an interesting part. So let's see how we can represent 9.3 in a number lines. So for that, what do we have to find out? Root over 9.3. So I don't know, I am taking any random number. Suppose I'm taking root x. So how I represent root x on a number line? So for that there is a process. How does that process? You have to draw this, and at the beginning you start from here. Suppose this is a point and you take whatever the length they given. This is suppose x, so you take this is as a x and you give this number as a b, and this point is b. Now from b you just extend 1 mm. How much? This is 1, and you find there is a point, this is c. So what will be the total distance of this one? This should be x plus 1. This distance equal to x plus 1. So now if this is x plus 1, so what will be the middle point of this one? This is I'm considering here somehow. Okay, and I'm giving this is a o. Okay, now I'm so o is the center point. That means what will be the this part? This distance equal to x plus 1 by 2, because this is total x plus 1, so half will be x plus 1 by 2. Now if I draw a circle here, it will be like that. Okay, and where is the point is x. So according to this, if we except this is not a perpendicular, I have to make it properly. Sorry guys, this is point B, and if I draw a perpendicular here, so this will be the root x. How? Let's check how this will be happen. If this is x plus 1, so now I can find, okay, I'm writing here AO and I'm drawing one perpendicular. Suppose I'm doing this one. Okay. Suppose this is my D point. Now what happened? AO equal to AO equal to OD equal to OC, all are the same, they are the radius. And how what is the value? This radius will be equal to x plus 1 by 2. And now I'm coming about the OB. So OB equal to how much? So OB equal to OC minus BC. So OC means how much? OC means this one, x plus 1 by 2. And BC means how much? BC equal to 1 minus 1. So when OC minus BC I will do, this will come 2. This will be x plus 1 minus 2, that is x minus 1 by 2. That means this OB part equal to x minus 1 by 2. And now I'm coming to this one. So in triangle, which triangle? In triangle OBD, what is coming? I need which one? I need BD. So before that I'm doing this one. What is I can say? This is a right angle triangle. So since right angle triangle, so I can write OD square equal to OB square plus BD square. Okay, what I need? I need BD square. So BD square equal to OD square plus, sorry, this will be minus, OD square minus OB square. So what is the OD? OD means radius. So radius means x plus 1 by 2, this square, and OB square means x minus 1 by 2, that is square. So this is A, this is B. So A square minus B square. So A square B square x plus 1 by 2 plus x minus 1 by 2. This will be one term, another term will be x plus 1 by 2 minus x minus 1 by 2. Okay. So I'm removing this part for a few. Now what is coming? If I bring this one here, then it comes like that. The LCM is 2, so x plus 1 plus x minus 1 into here also 2 is come, x plus 1 minus x plus 1. So ultimately if we cut these things, this discards, so it comes 2x by 2 into here 2 by 2, that is cancelled due to only x is coming. So what is coming? BD square equal to x. So BD equal to what? Root x. So this BD is coming how much? This root x. Okay. So in this manner, instead of this one, if I remove this one with respect to this, what will be this term? Suppose I am removing this one with 9.3, and on that case this x should be 9.3, and there should be any number, then I can represent this one in the form of this one. That means on that case, how I represent, if this is x, so I just draw a circle there, and this circle is dividing this one here, so this should be equal to root over 9.3 as well. So in this manner I can represent any fraction or any decimal numbers, any decimal number in a number series. I think you guys got it. Okay, just do it. Okay, so now, and the last and final questions, they are saying to convert all this irrotational number into rotational number. How we, rational, again I am doing the mistakes. How we can convert a irrotational number which consists of some root into a rational number. So for that I am doing only one questions. This is a question. question 5, and I'm doing question only 1, that is question 2. They given root 7 minus root 6 by 1. So you see, this is root 7, this is root 6. How can do this one? On that case, just do this one, root 7 minus root 6 and the root 7 plus root 6. So I'm doing this one, multiplying these terms in the denominator part, so I have to multiply in the numerator part also, root 7 plus root 6. So this coming actually 7 minus 6, because square and root, they will cancel each other. Okay, I'm writing another line, square, oh, this is root, this is also square, root 7 plus root 6. This comes 7 minus 6 by root 7 plus root 6. So this comes root 7 plus root 6. So in this way I can make rationalize. So okay. Now we are starting exercise 1.6. Exercise 1.6 deals with some of the operation of various number system. So there are basically some few formulas are there that you guys I think already know. Still I am reminding one again. The first one is a to the power n into b to the power n equal to the power will be plus, and when this is the division, the power will be subtract. Suppose a to the p into the whole to the power q, so I can write this one in the form of a to the p into q, a to the p and b to the power q. So I can put it in the bracket and then put it as the same power. So this is the few formula, just you can recall this formula as from you guys know before these things. And similarly, a to the m by n, I can represent this is in the under root of these things. So please write this now formula which will be applicable in your exercise. Okay, now I'm starting with exercise 1.6. It's a very short exercise, consists of few or more problems. So I will do few of them, and you guys also do few of them, and I don't think it will be create any kind of problems. So let's start. The first one, question number 1. The one taking problem number 32. That is question number 1. Question 32 to the power 1 by 5. Okay, so this 32, how I can expand this one? 32 2 times equal to 16, 2 times 8 to 4 to 2. So that is this 32 I can write as a 2 to the power 5, and behind that 1 to the 5. So I told you, whenever I to the power p in outside this is q, then I can write this is a to the power p into q. So here also 2 to the power 5 into 1 by 5. So now this 5 cancel, ultimately 2. In the same manner you do the others problem, that is question number 1 and question number 2. This is the similar kind of questions. Now I'm moving to question number 2. They also asking the some few numbers. Suppose question number 2, question number 1. What they are asking? 9 to the power 3 by 2. 9 to the power 3 by 2. How I can represent? So 9 I can represent 3 square. Now outside 3 by 2. So it's again 3 into 2 into 3 by 2. That is again cancel. That is 3 cube. So 3 cube means 3 3 9s and 3 9s are 27. Okay. I'm doing another one. That is question number 4. Is written 125 to the power 1 by 5. 1 by, I think, minus 1 by 5. Sorry, it's minus 1 by 3. Okay, so 125, how I can write this one? This is, I can write 5 cube, and outside this is minus 1 by 3. That means 5 into 3 into minus 1 by 3. This comes like scan 5 to the minus 1. 5 to the 1 means 1 by 5. So in this way we can simplify all these numbers. Okay, you just hold pause the video and you can write this problems. Now I'm moving to the question number 3. So question number 3 giving some operators, and among them I'm doing few of them. this क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का 3 नंबर में कर रहा हूँ. 3 नंबर में क्या बता रहा है? दिस इज सेइंग 11 to the power how much? Half and 1 before. 11 to the power half, and in denominator they given 11 to the power 1 by 4. So it's in the form of like that, r to the power m divided by r to the power n is written r to the power m minus 1. See here, if you consider 11 as a, so 11 to the power half minus 1 by 4. So 11 to the power, this is 4, 2 minus 1, 11 to the power 1 by 4. So this is a simple answer. I can draw anything like this. Okay, I'm doing another one. This is I think question number 4. 7 to the power half and 8 to the power also half. So both on this case I can write 7 into 8 whole to the power half whole to the power, that means 56 to the power half. Half means root over 56. So this is the answer. So with these chapters, with this few questions, I'm ending this number systems. So number system, what we have studied till now, I'm recalling against. First of all, number systems, I'm decided we have studied that there is a real number, there is a first natural number, then whole number. The natural number is from 1 to infinite. Whole number means with including 0, and the real number, then integer minus infinite to plus infinite. Then some rational numbers and irrational numbers comes in between of any two whole digits. And after that we studied how check which one is rational, which one is not rational. Then how we find how to find out this value of root 5, root 3, root 1, root 2, etc. Later on we deal with decimals, so that how we can decide a decimal is terminating or non-terminating, and after checking that on how we can convert all this in a rational number or irrational numbers. After this we deal with some operator, how we can addition or subtraction of the fractions and the powers and other deals and all these things. With this I can conclude this number system. So then we'll start the next chapter, that is polynomial. I hope you guys understand that all these things, and I hope if you guys have any problems or doubt, you can come write it in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Okay.